Hi there, guys and gals. Good day to each every one of you. You know what? I have to re-upload this video again because there's a copyright claim when I uploaded this last night. Actually, guys, while this playing, there's a sound of Britney Spears, My Brightest Morning Star, and then together with other singles on her seventh album, Britney Jean. This video taken, guys, this video taken when I'm going home to Bicol for my mother's celebration and my niece also. That was 10 years ago, July 12. And then my mother will be having a birthday on the next day, July 13. This is 2014, so 10 years ago. It's some kind of a throwback. As you can see, guys and girls, I'm traveling right here. I'm traveling in here, and my area is already in Ragay. So, and as you can see, guys and girls, it's some kind of blurred because the camera that I'm using is a Digicam. You know what, guys and girls, that time smartphone or any touchscreen phone are not yet in, so that's why we only have cell phone of a just a simple cell phone. How do you call the thing, that kind of cell phone? Mono, I forgot. Sorry, it's in my mind, but I forgot the right term. Well, anyway, what else? So there it goes. So while I'm traveling, I'm listening to Britney Spears songs. And actually, guys and girls, it's not an MP3. It's a, what's that kind of device? The one that is like a I forgot, circle or Bluetooth. Yeah, some kind of Bluetooth, and then you will put some um another, not, I forgot that one, memory card. No, it's not. I actually, it can also put on it. Guys, in here I'm talking about what's happening on on my travel, and I just woke up in here, and then I telling in this video that the bus is some kind of shaky and it's just like jumping, and I've got myself on air because of the how do you call the thing, because of the bus driver is not being so too cool to drive, so some kind of fast. And then even though it's some kind of hard on traveling on ordinary bus, but it's some kind of cool because the air that you've got is so fresh compared to aircon. And what else did I say here? I forgot. Anyway, so I keep on saying in here about my travel. You know what, guys? I have to upload this one because this is some kind of a memory to me. So I really cherish every single videos that I made, especially those days that I'm not having my upload yet. So I have to share this to you, guys and girls. How do you find me in here, guys and girls? So I still look on my present. Nothing changed, right? So it's some kind of forever young. And you can, as you can see, guys and girls, do you love my lips? Some kind of a kissable lips and a chewable shape. And my shades, as you can see, it's some kind of a yellow. I'm gonna look for this one. And then what else I'm saying in here? Well, that's what else? Sorry, I'm some kind of being lost. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling. I have to cherish this moment. And as you have noticed, guys and girls, even my bloopers outtakes, even though it's during my Talentadong Pinoy and my The Voice Philippines audition this past few days. It's also a um 4 seconds, 7 seconds. So I really cherish those moments. So that's why I don't want to delete or throw it on the trash bin here in my cell phone. I just really love traveling, guys and girls. I really love seeing natures, and then yeah, there it goes again. What did I say here? I'm telling that I have to say goodbye for a while because I'm some kind of sleepy, and I'm gonna continue once I get in Bicol. That's why. During this time, I don't have yet my brand new car, the APB, the first one that I acquired. It's a brand new one. So I just keep on traveling, doing the bus, riding on an ordinary bus. Actually, before I had a box type, my first acquired also. It's a second one, but it's some kind of not so good to use because of lots of defects, and then I sell it 10,000 pesos when somebody get in here in our subdivision to have a to look for a buy and sell of old cars and a junkies. Anyway, so as you can see, I keep on traveling in here, and just please bear with me, guys and girls, if this is some kind of a blurred because of the camera that I'm using. So Digicam, yeah. So you know what, guys and girls, the reason why I have to re-upload this because the YouTube some kind of keen on deducting my watch hours, and then even though I put on the description that there's a, oh gosh, why is it like that? Sorry guys, please bear with me. Spoiler alert. Disturbance. Oh gosh, hold on, sorry. Just let me, I forgot what I'm saying. I'm telling you that YouTube is keep on deducting my watch hours every time I had a violation of what's that, copyright claim, because even though I put on the description that there's no copyright infringement and it's only for no disclaimer notice, no copyright infringement, it's some kind only for a, what's that, guys, do you see that bag? I'm gonna tell you about that. It's only for entertainment purposes, and I didn't own the sounds or the music, so for promotional intent as well, I promotional, what's that, for entertainment and promotional purposes only. So I just really don't know why is it that YouTube is very keen on deducting my watch hour every time I had a copyright claim. So I told them, and then last night I wrote them on the feedback section. I reply immediately when I realized that I know, I understand, and I do expect that when I uploaded this video, I'll be having a copyright claim because of the sounds, even though I put on the description. So some kind of a little bit disappointment about that. Anyway, it's their decision, so I have nothing to do with that, for as long as I didn't steal the sounds and music that captured on this video and every videos that I made. That's why.